Those we can get. I need 2 individuals whom I can train how to clean. When I was in the UK, I worked in an international school as a cleaner. And I realized after cleaning very many toilets that actually cleaning is fun. I used to enjoy it because it helped me pay my to help me survive in the UK. It couldn't contribute to my tuition because it was minimum wage, but making a place clean. So I realized it is lucrative business to clean. If I have 2 cleaners, it means I would still be a marketer. I just come on the business and I say, can we clean? So I allocate a cleaner. But I make sure that when the cleaner cleans, I show them how to. Because me, I know how to. So to answer your question, I can flip 500,000 into 20 million in a space of a year. And I can flip it into, I think, double it into a space of 2 years. And after those 2 years,
it's up to the races.
It's
you know, you mentioned several good points.
Yes.
We had a cleaner on the show here.
Yes.
She's doing very well for herself.
Absolutely.
And she said, the market is so huge. Anyone can start today and they will thrive.
Yes.
And she said she has no concern about competition and all these things, as long as you know what you're doing and you do it well to the client's level, or,
yes.
you know,
yes,
there's no issue. So I agree with you 100%
yes.
on that. We had another guest who is in waste picking, right? He said that there is the market. There is no discussion about the market. It is huge. And a thing that you've mentioned, a theme that I've picked through all this.
Yes.
Initially, you talked about mindset change.
Yes.
And in these examples that you're giving, you gave the example of buy and sell product.
Yes.
Eggs, make Rolexes and all that, or sell with a commission.
Yes.
Matoke, do that.
Yes.
But the flipping speed is a bit slow. The time, the amount you're making is a bit slow.
True.
But when you're talking about the service-based, it is clear that the mindset you're using is different from the one of the eggs and the matoke.
Absolutely.
And it is also clear that with that mindset, you can actually make this money. It is realistic to make this money.
I'm telling you.
Because any apartment complex that you go to, 10 more building people, they want this trash. They can pay the 10K. And you can actually make the money.
Absolutely.
So it is really, if there were 5-10 people who had 500K each, what percentage do you think would look at based on your experience, what percentage do you think would focus on the eggs and matoke type businesses as opposed to this that you're talking about?
Now, in this country, 90%, 95% would go into having small money and doing small businesses.
The egg.
Yeah. And the reason it's because lack of exposure. And exposure can be gotten from travel.
Yes.
That's why I usually tell people, if you get a chance, you travel. When you travel, I don't know what they put in a plane. I think when it rises like this,
it gives everything.